Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. If this is your first time here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button so you become part of the family. If you have been here before, welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the ever popular Pampas grass that is actually making a comeback. You see it everywhere right now, and I really thought a video deserved to be made just specifically on this and on decorating with this type of decor, because once again, if you watch any YouTuber's video, I bet you will see this in a vase somewhere in their home. Pampas grass is ideal for adding height to a room. One way to do this is by arranging it in beautiful vases on your mantle. If you love the look of this grass's graceful, tall stalks and feather soft tops, continue watching this video for some tips on how to incorporate it inside your home. put your pampas grass, you'll definitely need a great ceramic or glass vase to hold your stems. Another amazing thing about pampas grass that you may not know, pampas grass can last up to 3 years, not even having to water it or put it in sunlight. What other plant or flowers do you know that can brag like that? Don't forget to comment down below and let me know your favorite usage of pampas grass in this video. Now, some people say pampas, some say pampas. Also comment down below and let me know what you say. So, in case you were wondering, this was my favorite usage of it this time. You guys, this wreath is absolutely gorgeous. It incorporates nature. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. Let me know what your favorite usage was, and we will just see you in the next video. Bye, guys.